Did you know you might be checking your phone over 100 times a day? Or that your social media scrolling could be affecting how you connect with people in real life? Social media has become such an integral part of our daily lives that many of us don't even realize how often we check our phones, sometimes over 100 times per day. While these platforms can be incredible tools for connection and learning, they can also lead us down a problematic path if we're not careful with how we engage with them. That familiar scenario plays out countless times. Picking up your phone to check one quick message, only to emerge 20 minutes later wondering where the time went. You're deep in a rabbit hole of memes, stories, and viral content, completely forgetting your original purpose. While social media can be fantastic for keeping in touch with friends and discovering new ideas, it's crucial to recognize when casual use transforms into addictive behavior that impacts your daily functioning. The signs of social media addiction are subtle but significant. That compulsive need to check notifications, the endless scrolling without purpose, and that constant craving for likes and comments. These are all red flags that indicate potential addiction. The good news? Once you recognize these patterns, you can take concrete steps to break free from them and establish healthier digital habits. The mental health impact of social media use is particularly concerning and well documented. Scrolling through carefully curated highlight reels of others' lives can trigger stress, anxiety, and feelings of inadequacy. Think about it. You're seeing everyone's best moments, their victories, and picture-perfect vacations, but rarely do you glimpse the struggles and setbacks that are equally part of their journey. This filtered view of reality can create unrealistic expectations and harmful comparisons. This can be especially challenging for students managing exam stress, young professionals navigating career paths, or anyone trying to maintain work-life balance in today's connected world. The key is to pause occasionally and ask yourself, why am I online right now? And how is this making me feel? These simple questions can help you become more mindful of your social media consumption and its effects on your mental well-being. To build a healthier relationship with social media, consider implementing some practical strategies. Set specific time limits for apps that tend to consume your attention. Many smartphones now offer built-in tools for this purpose. Take control of your feed by unfollowing or muting accounts that don't make you feel good about yourself. Instead, cultivate a feed filled with positive, informative, and inspiring content that aligns with your values and goals. Regular screen breaks are essential for maintaining mental clarity and emotional balance. Try stepping away every hour for a quick stretch, a real conversation, or some deep breathing exercises. You'll likely notice an immediate difference in your mood and energy levels. Before logging on, ask yourself about your purpose. Are you seeking inspiration, connection, or just acting out of habit? This mindful approach can help you make more intentional choices about your social media use. For introverts, social media presents both unique challenges and valuable opportunities. While large networking events and constant small talk can feel overwhelming, platforms like LinkedIn and professional groups can provide a more comfortable space for initial connections. It's a way to network on your own terms, allowing you to build relationships gradually and authentically without the pressure of immediate face-to-face interaction. When it comes to networking as an introvert, setting clear goals is crucial for success. Think about what kind of connections you're seeking: mentors, job opportunities, or perhaps a community of like-minded individuals. This clarity helps you focus on events and platforms that align with your objectives and makes networking feel more purposeful and less overwhelming. Embrace one-on-one interactions rather than trying to work a whole room. Meaningful conversations with just one or two people often create more lasting impressions than brief exchanges with many. Use your natural listening abilities. Introverts often excel at this skill. Ask thoughtful questions like, "What drew you to this field?" or "What inspired your current project?" These deeper conversations play to introverts' strengths and can lead to more meaningful professional relationships. Preparation can help ease networking anxiety and make interactions more successful. Before attending events, research the topic or speakers thoroughly. Having a few talking points ready can prevent those awkward silences and make conversations flow more naturally. After meeting someone, follow up with a personalized message to maintain the connection and show genuine interest in continuing the professional relationship. For those more comfortable behind a screen, social media can be an excellent networking tool when used strategically. Join communities focused on your interests or industry. When connecting with others, make your requests personal and meaningful, rather than using generic messages. Share content that adds value to your network rather than posting just to maintain presence. This thoughtful approach to online networking can help build your professional reputation and create genuine connections. The ideal networking strategy combines both online and offline interactions in a way that feels comfortable and authentic. Start conversations digitally, then gradually move to video calls or in-person meetings when appropriate. This stepped approach can help reduce anxiety and build confidence naturally while allowing you to maintain control over your social interactions. Remember to celebrate your progress, whether it's reducing social media use or making new professional connections. Keep track of positive interactions and moments of growth in your networking journey. Being open about your experiences can encourage others facing similar challenges and create a more supportive professional community. Technology isn't inherently good or bad, it's all in how we use it. Social media can be a powerful tool for connection, learning, and professional growth when we approach it mindfully. Whether you're a student, professional, or somewhere in between, your unique strengths can help you create meaningful connections both online and off, while maintaining your mental health and personal boundaries. By staying conscious of our social media habits and protecting our mental well-being, we can harness these platforms' benefits while avoiding their pitfalls. Remember, you have the power to create a balanced digital life that enhances, rather than detracts from your real-world connections and personal growth. The key is to remain intentional about your social media use, set clear boundaries, and prioritize authentic connections over superficial online interactions. Alright, that's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more tips to improve your English. And hey, if you want to take your learning to the next level, check out the books I've linked in the description. These are some of the best resources to boost your vocabulary, grammar, and confidence in English. Blast off!